Hi guys, Donald Trump has officially won the US presidential election, meaning Donald Trump is now the 47th president of the United States of America. How is this news going to affect us? How are we going to make money from this event, right? Now I'm going to tell you guys how this will affect the market, both the crypto market, the stock market, and the forex market, and how is it going to affect the economy in general. Now listen to this carefully. Before I proceed, I know that you notice that it has been long I post any video, right? It has been long. It's because I'm very busy with a lot of things, but I think I'm back now, right? It has been long I posted video, to the extent that I don't do like grow beards. Look, I've started growing beards. There are like 5 beards now, or 6 or something. You don't come out, yeah, one, right? But we are back. Let's do this, right? Now let me give you guys a breakdown of what you should expect. Now, historically, after every election, after every US election, market used to pump. The crypto market used to pump massively. I have historical data which I'm going to post here 2 times, where after the election, market skyrocketed like mad, meaning a lot of investors are going to make money from the market. But then I'm going to educate you on 1 or 2 things, right? Market is going to pump, yes. Why? Because Donald Trump is a crypto supporter. Elon Musk, that supported Donald Trump massively, is also a big crypto enthusiast. So this is a good news for crypto. So those coins, those altcoins, those meme coins you bought, hold them. You are going to make profit from it. You are going to make profit from it, as long as you did not sell in loss or you did not sell in break even. Hold your tokens, right? Hold your tokens. Market will pump. But then there's something you guys don't know, especially beginners or newbies, right? There's what we call buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm going to put an article here so that you guys can pause the video and also read it. But let me explain. When they say buy the rumor, sell the news, it means sometimes it is not after the news that you buy an asset, right? It's before the news, right? So whenever you have a rumor that, okay, this thing will probably happen, meaning you don't get the updates before it happen, that's when to buy. After it don't happen, market would have already been pumping already now, so for anticipation for those for that prediction, right? Market will already be pumping. Now when after the news, that's when you should be taking profits. Let me explain. For over how many months now, we already know that US election is going to take place November, right? Another black president for the United States will come in November. We already know it. So there are many ways to do that analysis or to predict. We already know that there's high probability that Donald Trump is going to win. Even if you have sense, you listen to how he speak and how Kamala Harris also speak, you already know that anybody that have sense will vote for Donald Trump, definitely, because the way they even speak and the level of intelligence is different. So if we should follow that analogy already, we already know that there's high probability Donald Trump is going to win. So with that, when Bitcoin was around 50K, it even went down to 40-something K, I bought 2 pieces of Bitcoin, right? That's in anticipation of Trump is going to win and the market is going to pump. Now, market is around 75, I think. It has broken the all-time high. And what am I going to do? I'm going to sell, I'm going to cash out some profit. Not all. I'm going to cash out like $40,000, right? That's what we mean by buy the rumor, sell the news. That's how smart investors invest. But majority of you now are just following crowd. You're just doing what other people are doing. You are following crowd. How and what do I mean by that? And now Donald Trump has won. That's when you guys are looking to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these meme coins, Solana, Dogecoin, thinking maybe market will continue going up. Is a lie. Market will not continue going up. Market will retrace. Why would market retrace? We that bought, since we bought the rumor, now we are selling the news. Now we are selling the news. We are cashing out. We want to use our profit to chop, right? Just you check charts. Maybe after this video, I'm making this video 6th of November today, right, in the morning. Check your charts. Market will retrace. Why is market retracing? People that bought before in cheap are selling now, right? So if you are trading futures, what you should be looking for is to short. If you have any good reason to short, I'm not giving you any financial advice, right? I'm not giving you financial advice. But if you know what you are doing, you take opportunity in the market, you make money from it, right? Now, do I mean that okay, market will continue crashing? No, I said retrace. Market will definitely, market does not just move like up forever. No, it will give impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move and retracement. That's how market moves. You know, anything that go up must surely will come down, then continue going up, whatever, right? So now you that bought by mistake, maybe before you see this video you don't buy, should you sell? No, do not sell. You know, historically market will go up. I've just like I said in the beginning of the video, market is going to pump. You that bought around 7 something, you are going to make money from the market, right? But like, don't sell. You understand? You are going to what? Make money from the market regardless. The thing is, do you have the patience to hold? If yes, then you are good to go. If you have that strong mind to hold for a very long time, then you are good to go. Hope I'm making sense. So you guys should be safe out there. I hope this video helps someone out there, and I hope you learn something from this video you see. Thank you.